welcome to the premiere of Soulful Sunday. Each Sunday, I'm anticipating doing a video with a flower essence for the week. So flower essences are the Bach flower essences, and I use my pendulum, which I have right here, to bring in a flower essence that will help us with the energy for the week. So it may be helping us release energy, or it may be helping us bring in some energy that we need, or clear out some energy blocks. Each week, I'll just be asking my pendulum if there's a flower essence for that week, and then I'll read what that flower essence is and talk a little bit about that. And if it's something that's resonating with you, then you can just be aware of it and ask that energy to come into you to help you with whatever you're dealing with. So we'll start right away here. So how I do it is just ask my pendulum. So and then we take the book and figure out which flower essence that is. Just so you're aware, my flower essence, this means, or my pendulum, this means yes. And that means no. So I'll just go through the book now and find out what the flower essence is. See you back in a minute. Okay, so I've located the page that the flower essence is on, and then I just go through the different areas of interest to find out which one it is. So it's not that one, which was faith. And it's saying yes to fanaticism. So I turn to fanaticism in the book. And then we figure out exactly what flower essence it is. Which for fanaticism, there's only 4. So is it the first one, which is California Poppy? Is it Canyon Dudleya? And it says yes. So this flower essence is stirred up, in quotes, or extreme emotion, tending to hysteria. And then I turn, and we'll talk a little bit about what that flower essence means. Okay, so Canyon Dudleya, its positive qualities are grounded presence in everyday life and the patterns of imbalance. So if you require this, you could be feeling an addiction to drama lifestyle. And what this flower essence, I won't read it all, but what this flower essence talks about is people who are looking for spirituality, and looking outside of themselves towards the big showy kind of spirituality, and not saying there's anything wrong with that. But what this flower essence says is that can also, our spiritual depth and everything can also be found in the quiet, ordinariness is kind of what it says. So in the quiet everyday life. So finding that grounded presence in everyday life, instead of looking outside of ourselves to others to find that for us, and realizing that our spirituality is not about, like I said, the big drama or big showy type things all the time. It's about finding that balanced and grounded emotional presence. So if you're feeling like this is kind of you, like you're always looking for that big drama, or move from one drama to the other, then Canyon Dudleya might be a flower that would be beneficial, or flower essence that might be beneficial for you. They do sell a lot of these flower essences in health stores and different places, and you can find them online. So if this one is really speaking to you, feel free to purchase that. I don't sell them, but you can also just be really aware of it and ask it to come into your energy, and ask it to help you find that more balance between the big things and the ordinariness of life, and yeah, finding that balance. So that is our flower essence for the week. Again, it's Canyon Dudleya, and join me next week for another flower essence. Thank you and have a great day.